Hey guys, welcome back to 10 Orchard channel. Have you enrolled your iPhone in MDM service? You have to enter the credentials before use the iPhone. Today's tutorial will show you how to bypass MDM on iPhone SE3. Let's get started. At first we need install 4key on the PC. We have put the link in the description. Open 4key. Connect the iPhone SE3 to the PC by lightning cable. Then click Bypass MDM section. Click Start. Wait for a moment. Well done, let's check it up. We entered the home screen successfully. Thanks for watching. If this is helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe our channel and thumbs up. See you next time.